welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos whenever I upload. This video is part of my keto series. I previously did a video where I spoke about keto and how it is effective with weight loss. You can check that out here. And in this series, I am going to be answering the simple question: does keto clog your arteries? Is keto healthy for diabetics? And you already know, your girl is not going to answer this question based on personal feelings. No, I am going to be seeking out research, and I am going to be using evidence-based research to answer these questions. So, what has research got to say about all this? Is keto healthy for type 2 diabetics? If you don't know what the basis of keto is, if you don't know what keto contains, I'm still going to refer you to the same video that I did last week where I spoke in summary about keto. So now, to answer the question, I would want you to note that heart disease generally is multifactorial. It is not caused by one thing. There are several risk factors ranging from stress, smoking, blood sugar, even obesity, diet. I know so many things can be attributed. So research has found that the damage to the arteries is as a result of increased blood sugar, and keto helps to reduce blood sugar and regulate insulin. Whoa, go keto, right? Wait, hold on. But then now imagine that the source of your diet is mainly from animal fat. Imagine waking up and loading up on butter and bacon every day. You're thinking, right, like bacon, red meat, every time? No. So that's the thing. I further researched and I checked, would there be an effect? Would there be an effect to loading up on this high amount of cholesterol? But it's been found that those who eat mainly the animal source of fat are at like 43% risk of mortality, more than those who eat plant fat like avocado. You already know all those plant fats. Yes, a 2017 review of the effect of keto on the heart has actually found that keto actually helps to reduce cholesterol. And how does it do this? It actually reduces the low density lipoproteins. Those are the bad cholesterol. While it increases the high density lipoproteins. Those are the good cholesterol. So it's looking like a win-win for keto here, right? I think so too. And this 2017 review also found out that the effect of keto on blood sugar, and there's this test that's usually done for diabetes to check whether they have been compliant with their drugs over time. It's called glycated hemoglobin. It's been found out that keto actually regulates it, and if you are in the pre-diabetes stage and then you're placed on keto, it can actually help put you in a state of remission rather. It can put you in a state of remission whereby you're no longer diabetic. I was surprised too. But it's a mixed result. Sometimes you get the positive and sometimes you get the negative. That's what I found out in this result. There was no change. So it might be as a result of some faults or something with the research. I do not know. But that's what the research says. But then, is keto sustainable? See, keto is unsustainable. It is restrictive. It places you on diets that you cannot sustain. Therefore, most people actually start keto, lose a lot of weight, then go back to their normal diet, and then they tend to gain even more weight than what they lost in the first place. And that's worse. That's called like a yo-yo weight loss. And that can even make you have stroke, heart attacks, even faster than just being obese. Because the way you are alternating being obese today, not obese tomorrow, being overweight today, not overweight tomorrow, is not good for the body. So in my own opinion, I think keto should be used to jumpstart. You can use it to jumpstart your weight loss. But subsequently, why not do something that is more sustainable? And I think the Mediterranean diet is the most sustainable, where you feed on all grains, veggies, everything. Because I don't get why some veggies has to be taken off the meal for keto. Heart disease generally is multifactorial. Therefore, focusing on just a piece of the puzzle, which is what keto is. Dieting is just a piece of the puzzle, does not solve the problem. You have to approach it from different angles, focusing on the stress. What do you do about familial history? So there are a lot of things to put into consideration apart from just focusing on diet and then now keto, which is unsustainable. Nah, it's too much stress, man. It's too much stress. I think you should do something sustainable. Keep your heart rate pumping, keep your heart rate up, and exercise this muscle. That's the most important muscle in the body. Exercise the muscle. And how do you do this? I have some exercises that I have uploaded in the past, so you can check them out. And at the same time, this is to announce to you that I'll also be doing, like, subsequently I would be uploading my workout routines that are easy to do using Afrobeat. I know you're going to love it. Anyway, wait for that first. Don't worry. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I have answered the question. Is keto good for diabetics, type 2 diabetes? Yes, it is. But the question is it sustainable? No, it's not. It's too restrictive and I don't think it's sustainable. Although there are several arguments about that, but I don't think so. Will it clog your arteries? It hasn't been found to do so, except those who focus on animal fats, who eat mainly animal fat. So thank you for watching my video. Have you liked? Have you subscribed? And you gained a lot, right? Thank you. Like, subscribe, share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to put a smile on somebody's face. Bye.